So, okay class, Adrian, I would like you to complete the square. Christian, I would like you to solve the AOS, the vertex, and the roots. And since we haven't gone over the quadratic formula, I will solve it. And Adrian, you've been messing around lately. You need to do the graph also. Okay, Christian, get up here, please.
Alright. So, this is our original problem right here. So, since that's our original problem right there, what we do is we get the AOS formula. The AOS formula is negative b 2a. So what we gotta do is plug in.
Stop. Adrian, what are you doing? Stop. Put that down. I'm gonna send you to detention after class.
I don't care.
Alright, so we gotta plug in the b to negative b. So that'll equal negative, and the b is negative 24. So negative parenthesis negative 24. 2a, so 2 parenthesis 3. So then you simplify that. I messed up right there, but alright, so what you gotta do is you use the chain right there. Negative equals positive, so it's 24 over 2 times 3 is 6. You can simplify that, so then it gets to 4. So our AOS equals 4.
Adrian, cut it out.
So our AOS equals 4. And then to get our vertex, what we gotta do is we gotta plug in the formula, or we gotta plug in the AOS to the x's. So I'm write up the formula. Y equals 3x. 3x squared minus 24x. So we gotta plug in. Since we gotta plug in the AOS to the x's, so just plug them in right there, and then it's 4 squared, which is 16 times 3 equals 16 times 3
Stop, Christian, real quick.
48.
Adrian,
Get my picture.
you have detention after class. Sorry, Christian, continue.
So yeah, 4 squared is 16. 16 times 3 is 48. And then minus 24 times 4 is 96. So negative 96 plus 36. So now what we have is 48 minus 96 plus 36. And then we got to use the T-chart. So negative 96 goes into the negative column. Positive 48 goes into the positive. Positive 36 goes into the positive. So it's right here, it's negative wins because it's 96. Sorry, 96 minus 84, which gives you 12. So it's negative 12. So then our vertex is, since our y is negative 12, the vertex has to be in the ordered pair. So it's going to be, so yeah, our vertex equals, it has to be in the parentheses, the ordered pair. Our x is 4 from our AOS, and then negative 12 is our vertex, is our y. So our vertex is 4 and negative 12. So our AOS is 4, and our vertex is 4 and negative 12.
Can you find the roots?
Find the roots. Alright, so for the roots, what you gotta do is you gotta write up the problem. And then after you write the problem, what you gotta do is you can simplify, since there's a common number inside there. And so what you do with the common number, you simplify with that. 3 goes into each one of these. So since 3 goes into that, you put 3 parentheses x squared minus 8x plus 12. So and then close the parenthesis. So since right here, you do an x factor, and then x factor a times c is 12, positive 12. B is negative 8. So now we got to think what times what goes in. What times what is 12, but adds up to negative 8. So if you multiply 4, no, I'm sorry, 6, negative 6, negative 2, that'll give you negative 6 times negative 2 is 12, positive 12. But once you add up negative 6 and negative 2, it gives you negative 8. So our roots are it's going to be x minus 6 and then x minus 2. So now you got to solve for our roots. Don't forget the 3. You got to bring down that 3. Hey.
Adrian, stop.
Jesus.
Continue.
Alright, so you have to equal it to 0 to solve for our roots. And don't forget to bring down that 3. So x minus 6 equals 0. X minus 2 equals 0. So then you just move the negative 6 to the other side, which gives you our first root, which is x equals 6. And then now we got to do the other one, move the 2 to the other side, negative 2 to the other side, which gives us x equals 2. So both of our roots are x equals 6 and x negative 2.
Nice job, Christian. Adrian? What are you doing? Adrian, get up here. Stop that problem now. Send you to Saturday school now.
It's too much work.
Doesn't matter. Here, take the marker.
This one?
This one. Alright, now complete the square.
Go, Crispy. For you.
Getting me very impatient.
Y equals 3x squared is 24x plus 36. So first you equal to 0. So you minus 36 and then put it over there. So it's y equals 3x squared minus 24 equals negative 36. So then I simplify it by 3. So now it's y equals 3, x squared minus 8x 8x equals negative 12 because I'm awesome. So
Christian,
That's what he gets.
that is what you get.
So do that by 1. Now it's
No, we have detention after school now.
Hey.
x squared minus 8x.
Saturday school for a year. Continue, Adrian. Adrian, you too.
I thought I already had Saturday school.
Yeah, but now it's for a year.
I have stuff to do.
Like, like what?
Eating a donut.
Adrian, are you serious?
Y equals. I'm not doing the problem though.
Just continue.
X
You're almost
squared
done. Just keep
minus
it.
8x plus 4 squared. That's right, right? Right?
I don't know.
12 plus 4 squared. So there's 16 plus 8x squared. And so now you x factor that. So it's negative 8, 16. So what equals that? Oh, negative 4 and negative 4. So it's minus 4 squared equals negative 12 plus 16, which is 4. So now you know, reduce it, maybe. So it's
Square root, Adrian, not
square root
reduce.
So it's x minus 4 equals plus minus 2. So you add the 4, now x equals 4 plus minus 2. So when you add it, you add x equals 4 plus 2, it equals 6. And x equals 4 minus 2, it equals 2.
Nice
Now,
job, Adrian.
I'm done.
Okay, that was unnecessary, but doesn't matter. Here, give me the marker. Okay, so now I, Mr. Asensio, will go over the quadratic formula. Okay. Well then. Okay. So the quadratic formula y equals 3x squared minus 24x plus 36. This can be easily reduced by 3. Oh, I forgot the equals 0. So, after that you get y equals x squared minus 8x plus 12 equals 0. So a equals 1, b equals negative 8, and c equals 12. So then, we use the quadratic formula. If b negative 8 plus or minus radical negative 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 12 over 2 times 1. So 8 plus or minus 64 minus 48. Okay. Over 2. So 8. What's wrong with you? You want 2 years now?
Wait, I'm in 8th grade.
You know what? We're gonna tell your LP teacher used to give you 2 years. And I'll make them put you in boot camp.
I'm pretty sure the parents could do that.
You know what? Go ahead. Well, anyways, 8 plus or minus 16 over 2. So the square root of 16 is 4. So 8 plus or minus 4 over 2 equals 4 plus or minus 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6. And 4 minus 2 equals 2. Okay. Oh. But it seems to be I forgot the discriminant. So, it doesn't matter. I'll just do it right here. So, the discriminant formula is b squared minus 4ac. Okay, so negative 24 squared minus 4 times 3 times 36 becomes 576 minus 432 equals 144. Thus making it 2 solutions.
Hooray!
Woo!